Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best heavy chipboard is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials available for a wide range of crafting, packaging, and DIY projects, offering exceptional rigidity and a smooth surface ideal for printing, cutting, and gluing, making it a go-to choice for creators and businesses seeking a reliable and cost-effective solution for their needs. Number 5. 8.5x11 Chipboard Sheets, 100 pack. Introducing our versatile 8.5 by 11-inch chipboard sheets. They are perfect for all your craft projects, adding a rustic aesthetic to your creations. Use them as book board, binder's board, or backer board. The unique cardboard backing feature adds rigidity and strength, ideal for frames, display backs, and boxes. Crafted from 100% recycled clean fiber, these thin sheets provide a reliable solution for shipping important documents or artwork without bending. They are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional MDF board. These sheets offer superior durability and flexibility for all your creative pursuits. They are a strong and dependable choice for various applications. Buy with confidence knowing you are backed by Amazon's guarantee and our top-notch customer service. We are here to assist if you're not fully satisfied. What we like? This option offers a versatile 8.5x11 size, perfect for a wide range of projects. Its durable craft board construction ensures longevity, and it's made from 100% recycled fiber, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you're looking for a reliable and sustainable option for crafts, DIY, or packaging, this is a great pick. What people say. It is very thick and sturdy and great quality. This chipboard is great for bookbinding. I use this chipboard to make notepads. It's easy to cut into whatever size I need, and it's easy to apply notepad glue to if making a notepad. I love the quality and ease it is to use. Number 4. 20 PCS Kraft Heavy Duty Chipboard Sheets, Gray, 12 by 12 inch 70 points. Introducing our heavy duty chipboard sheets, perfect for all your crafting and binding needs. These sturdy sheets provide excellent protection and are built to last. Measuring 12 by 12 inches with a 70 points thickness, these boards are perfectly sized for various applications. They are lightweight and easy to handle, store, and transport. These chipboard sheets are ideal for creating book covers, boxes, and various handicrafts. They are suitable for use at home, in the office, or at school. Designed with a strong bearing capacity, they effectively protect your books from scratches, even when stacked. You can also place heavy items on them without worry. This pack includes 20 pieces, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects or replacements. Share them with friends or keep them handy for future use. Crafted from sturdy craft paper, these boards are firm, strong, and resistant to deformation. Their smooth surfaces ensure a safe and pleasant crafting experience. What we like? This product comes in a generous 12x12 size with a substantial 70 points thickness, offering excellent durability. Its high bearing capacity makes it ideal for protecting stacked books or supporting heavy items. If you need robust material for bookbinding, box making, or projects requiring significant structural support, this is the one to consider. What people say. Worked very well. Not too thick but sturdy enough to hold papers in place. This is perfect for bookmaking, but I am using it to store dies, after I apply a magnetic film. I love to make mini albums, mini books, and this 80 points is a wonderful, dense weight. I bought white, and it is very pure, and not at all see-through on the top layers. It is completely rigid, no wiggly bits. They're very thick, very sturdy, and totally worth the price. Number 3. MagicWater Chipboard Sheets 8.5 by 11 inch, 100 pack. Crafted from heavy-duty craft cardboard, these sheets provide exceptional durability and strength for your creative projects. They offer long-lasting performance, perfect for bookbinding and more. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, these sheets are perfect for scrapbooking, picture frame backings, and notepad creation. They meet all your crafting needs, whether for art projects or general crafts. With a thickness of 0.050 inches, they offer an extra layer of protection for your precious photos and artwork. Use them for storage or shipping to keep your items safe and intact. Made from recycled paper, these sheets are both practical and environmentally friendly. Choosing them ensures high-quality craftsmanship and contributes to a more sustainable crafting process. With a generous quantity of 100 sheets, you'll have plenty to fuel your creativity. This pack ensures you're always prepared for your next bookbinding or craft board creation. What we like. This option provides a 0.050-inch thickness on a convenient 8.5x11 sheet, offering substantial protection for your creations. It's also proudly USA made from recycled paper, appealing to those who value sustainability and domestic production. If you're a crafter who prioritizes eco-friendly materials and needs reliable protection for artwork or photos, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Good quality chipboard for a variety of projects. I used it to make boxes for card games and it was perfect, easy to cut but very sturdy when finished. A good medium thickness that is also suited for making doll-scale furniture. This is great chipboard for some nice projects I'm doing with fabric. It's very hard to find 100 points chipboard, so I can glue 2 of these together and get what I need. I also like using this size for notebook covers. These sheets are really sturdy and worked perfectly for magnet boards for my dies. Number 2. MagicWater chipboard sheets for DIY projects. Introducing our heavy-duty chipboard sheets, perfect for all your DIY projects. They offer exceptional durability and strength for any creative endeavor. These versatile sheets measure 8.5 by 11 inches, making them ideal for scrapbooking, picture frame backing, and creating notepads. They are perfect for all your crafting needs. With a thickness of 0.050 inches, these sheets provide an extra layer of protection for your photos, prints, and artwork. Use them for safe storage and shipping. Crafted from recycled paper, these chipboard sheets are an environmentally friendly choice. Support sustainable crafting with our high-quality, USA-made products. This convenient pack contains 50 sheets, ensuring you have plenty to fuel your creativity. Be prepared for your next bookbinding or craft board creation. What we like. This pack offers a generous 50 sheets of 8.5x11 chipboard, each with a heavy-duty 50 points thickness. This provides ample material for numerous projects, ensuring you won't run out mid-creation. If you're a frequent crafter or working on a large project and need a consistent supply of sturdy chipboard, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. Good quality chipboard for a variety of projects. I used it to make boxes for card games and it was perfect, easy to cut but very sturdy when finished. A good medium thickness that is also suited for making doll-scale furniture. This is great chipboard for some nice projects I'm doing with fabric. It's very hard to find 100 points chipboard, so I can glue 2 of these together and get what I need. I also like using this size for notebook covers. These sheets are really sturdy and worked perfectly for magnet boards for my dies. Number 1. MagicWater chipboard sheets. Introducing our heavy-duty craft chipboard sheets, perfect for all your creative endeavors. They are designed for maximum durability and strength, ensuring your projects stand the test of time. These versatile sheets measure 11 by 17 inches, making them ideal for a wide array of applications. From scrapbooking to creating sturdy picture frame backings, they offer the perfect canvas for your imagination. With a substantial 0.050-inch thickness, they provide an essential layer of protection. You can confidently stack, ship, or store your valuable photos, prints, and artwork, knowing they are safeguarded. Craft with a conscience. These chipboard sheets are proudly made in the USA from recycled paper. Choosing them means you're supporting sustainability in your artistic pursuits. This convenient pack includes 25 chipboard sheets, providing an ample supply for numerous projects. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, you'll always have enough on hand to bring your ideas to life. What we like. This product features a larger 11x17 size with a robust 50 points thickness, perfect for bigger projects. It's also made from recycled paper in the USA, aligning with eco-conscious crafting. If you need a larger format chipboard for expansive art projects, custom framing, or larger craft builds, this option offers both size and sustainability. What people say. The size and thickness are perfect to transfer between laser engravers, and they work well as backing for other projects. Very sturdy yet lightweight. They hold the fabric nicely and allowing me to have the fabric stand upright like in the fabric stores. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.